Dominion Design Solutions. That's who designed these awesome logos. Listen, I'm Kingdom Cuisine from head to toe, literally, right? Y'all see that vegetable logo? Man, I'm telling you where to go. Dominion Design Solutions. Y'all check them out. But today, we are going to do some more awesome recipes with my dear sister, DeWanda Simpson. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
What we got going on today?
All right, so today we have vegan crab cakes.
Wow, vegan crab cakes, y'all. So if I was y'all, I would not go anywhere. Stick around.
Now we are always building flavors every day of the week. Shout out to Chef Jaden, he done saved you a seat. Like, comment, and subscribe, and go and put on repeat. And now wait. Take out your seasoning and make it rain on that thing. This the type of cooking make him buy you a ring. Don't compare Chef Jay, cause he ain't the same. And that's for real though, you know the deal though. And I know you probably heard it through the grapevine, that everything that he makes, it is great fry. Lobster macaroni to the crab cake and the ribeye. Super Bowl videos, go get ready for the fish fry. Or some Nashville hot chicken for some kickback, Or some Henny hot wings just to get slapped, He moving up to greater things, ain't no get back, He the best of everything, Chef Gerard the Master King.
All right, DeWanda, we got some awesome fresh ingredients. I know you emphasize on the fresh and the quality of your vegan dishes. So tell us what we got here.
Okay, so we have hearts of palm here. We have garbanzo beans or chickpeas. We have green onion.
I got you, man.
And we have bell pepper here. We have some kelp, and we have some planko.
The panko is a Japanese breadcrumb. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start building this vegan crab cake. Y'all heard me? Vegan crab cake. Now listen, I know y'all saw that last video that she did with those tacos. Now we doing vegan crab cakes, man. We're gonna show y'all how to put this stuff together so we're not going anywhere. All right, so I see you got a food processor here, so I'm guessing we're gonna throw some stuff together, zoop it, and make it do what it do.
Yes, sir.
All right, we can do what it do.
We're gonna add some hearts of palm into the food processor.
So this is like the base right here. So this is what substitute that gives us the crab cake texture right there, the hearts of palm.
Exactly.
Where can you get that?
You can find it at Publix, Sprouts, Kroger, wherever your local food market is.
There you go. So we got the hearts of palm in there.
And we're gonna add the chickpeas.
Oh man, chickpeas. And then what's the ratio? Is it the same amount, like one cup if you was to?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So say equal parts of hearts of palm and chickpeas. And then what are you gonna do? Blend that together?
Yes. We're gonna put the lid on and blend it.
All right. So we're gonna blend this and we're gonna show y'all what's next. Looks pretty good. So far, so good. So we got the hearts of palm and the chickpeas. So what we gonna do next?
So now we're gonna season it.
All right.
We're gonna add a little black pepper.
A little black pepper.
We're gonna add, this is some seafood seasoning.
All right. You just season it to your liking.
Yeah.
Pretty much, right?
Kind of just eyeball it. This is a little chef's shake with a mixture of
Chef
blends.
shake? Yeah, chef shake.
And some Old Bay.
Y'all call it Old Bay. I call it New Bay. This is my bay. This is my New Bay right here.
And we have some butter.
Let me see what you got there. Oh, it's that herb de Provence. Yeah, that's that good stuff, man. You can put this on almost anything. All right. We're gonna mix this up, and then I see you got some, what's this, chickpea juice right here?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so when she drained the chickpea, she saved the juice. All right, so we're gonna do that. And then we got some Worcestershire, right?
Yes.
And what else you got in here?
Vegan mayo, mustard, and we got some lemon juice.
All right, and you
Some
want me
lemon
to?
juice. No, we put that in a separate bowl.
Okay.
We got to mix this first.
All right.
You want to pour in your chickpea juice, and you want to whisk it to get a foamy.
Oh, it's kind of like an egg white thing going on. Man, you see, y'all see that right there? It's foaming up just like egg whites would do. That's pretty cool. Bet y'all didn't know that. Did you know that? There might be somebody in there probably knew that.
We got a little bit of that.
Alright.
And we want to add in this.
So we pretty much doing the wet ingredients in here.
Add our lemon juice.
So we squeeze the entire lemon right there and using it in there. But of course you can adjust it to whatever flavors you like. But if you want some good vegan crab cakes, this is it for you right here. So this is like, I'm looking at this recipe. This is like how I make crab cakes, except these are all, you know, vegan substitutes. And it's just as flavorful as regular crab cake. That's the misinterpretation people have. The one that people think when you go vegan or vegetarian, like you miss out on flavors, and clearly that ain't the case.
That is so true because your flavors don't have any products in it. You still season your food the same.
Still season your food the same, y'all.
So you add this into this.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
And mix it. Before we mix it though, we're gonna add in some bell pepper, red bell pepper.
All right. And again, it's up to you how much bell pepper you want. All right.
I'm gonna add a little of the green onion.
These gonna be some nice, hearty, fulfilling crab cakes.
And we're gonna add in some kelp.
Okay. Now what does that do?
Now kelp gives it a like the seafood flavor.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add in some breadcrumbs.
Nice. Now after you mix this all, is there a certain amount of time you want to let it set and come together? Or?
Yes, you want to set it in the freezer for about 20 minutes.
Okay. All right, we're going to mix this up, y'all. We're going to sit this in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes, and then we'll come right back and show you guys what it's going to look like. All right, guys. The one that we had, actually, I said refrigerator, but you actually put it in the freezer for 20 minutes.
Yes.
All right, so what we going to do next?
And we're going to put them together and roll them in the Franco.
All right, let me get it on in here. So we got the hearts of palm, we got the chickpeas, we got the peppers, the green onions, and the seasonings. That a pretty good size one right there?
Yep.
And then, what's this, more panko breadcrumbs right here?
Yes.
Boom, boom. Oh man, I think I did a pretty good job. I'm gonna go ahead and let you do what you do, man. That's a beautiful looking crab cake.
Good.
Y'all see that? So I guess that means I'm finna do all the crab cakes, but it's cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake these up, and I'm gonna pass them over to DeWanda. Can you tell them about your website and your company one more time?
Yes, we are The Veggie Table. You can find us on the web at thevegetable.net.
There you go. And if you guys are here in Nashville, she's at the Franklin Farmers Market every Saturday, selling her wonderful tacos. But today, we're making these awesome crab cakes. You can't tell me that don't look like a crab cake. I cannot wait to get in there and taste that. So we're gonna take this crab cake and dredge it into the breadcrumbs. Make it look all nice and pretty looking. And we're gonna fry these jokers up. And me and DeWanda and the vegetable, we'll be right back. Now I'm in the background, but my dear sister right here, she gonna go ahead and hook up these crab cakes like she always do. So go ahead, DeWanda.
Okay, so we're gonna take crab cakes to fry them.
Oh yeah, y'all hear that sizzle, right? That means she doing it right, baby. So what do you have in the pan? Is that olive oil?
It's grapeseed oil.
Grapeseed oil. So you use a lot of grapeseed oil in a lot of your recipes when it comes to frying.
Grapeseed or avocado
Okay.
for high heat.
Enhances the flavor. You know why, DeWanda? Because we are always building flavors. Y'all know what's up. So we're gonna cook that how long on each side?
Probably about 5 to 10 minutes.
And then we're gonna flip it over. And then it's gonna be time to taste. I can't wait. Crab cakes are frying. They are ready to come out. I cannot wait. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull these out. Just want to show y'all what they look like frying up in that oil, that grapeseed oil, right? Grapeseed?
Yes.
We're getting ready to take these out, man, and we're gonna show y'all what they look like. I'm gonna eat them and tell y'all what they taste like. Do not go anywhere. All right, DeWanda, I'm ready to get in. So let's do a quick recap. What all we got in there?
Okay, so we have Planko breadcrumbs. We have
The hearts of
the
palm.
hearts of palm. We have peppers. We have green onion, and we have garbanzo beans.
Man, we got all that. The Worcestershire, the fresh lemon juice. Man, everything is fresh, and we getting ready to go in. I can't wait to go in and get this because I love crab cakes, man. I love crab cakes. So let's see what we got going on. Y'all ready for this? Vegan. Y'all see that steam coming out with that thing? I mean, fresh out of the fire, baby. Wow. You could, woo! You could trick me with that. That has a lot of flavor. It has a lot of flavor. You can taste every layer. The hearts of palm, the chickpeas, it all comes together. It's not like it's a bunch of separate ingredients. It's like you're eating one complete crab cake. It is really good. Let me go back in and get some more. Y'all know I like my meat, man.
Yeah, you do.
I mean, all those seasonings is just very complex, man. It is so good, man. Tell me about the vegetable one more time. Website.
So the Veggie
Facebook.
Table website is thevegetable.net. We're also on Facebook, The Veggie Table, and we're also on Instagram, the V_table. And you can catch us every Saturday at the Franklin Farmers Market from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m.
If you need a logo or a website design, y'all go to my man Adrian Simpson, her husband, wonderful designer. Dominion Design Solutions. All right, look them up. It's worth it. You got it going on. This is so good, guys. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It was a
Thank
pleasure,
you.
man. I love seafood, so I guess you did this for me, so I appreciate it. Hey guys, we're gonna wrap it up. Remember, always keep God first in your life, and everything will fall into place. Thank y'all for watching. God bless.